Welcome to Chat for Democracy, where kids learn to lead. We're reimagining civics education for grades 3 to 6, using hands-on activities, mock elections, student governments, and even artificial intelligence. Our goal is simple: teach democracy by doing it. Students don't just learn about leadership. They step into leadership roles and practice ethical decision-making with tools like ChatGPT. We've built a flexible, age-appropriate curriculum supported by a growing teacher portal and resource library, aligned with values like equity, participation, and responsible tech use. We're just getting started, and we're looking for educators, funders, and civic-minded allies. Join us at chatfordemocracy.org. Let's build the next generation of informed leaders together.